What's up, guys? This is a cordless weed trimmer from a company called Copo. They're an Amazon seller that sent me this thing to review it, so let's check it out. Alright, first off, this is a 21 volt trimmer. Take that, 18 volt Ryobi. And it's got some really cool features and things that come in the box. So let me show you what you get when you buy one of these things. So here's a stock photo so you can see everything clear. But you basically get the tool itself. You get 2 battery packs with a charger. You have 2 different blade guards on here. You have 3 different choices of blades also. You have these white plastic ones, and you get a pack of 5 of them. You get these really nice and sharp metal blades, which I have one on the trimmer right now. And you also get this really gnarly circular saw looking blade that I think is supposed to cut a tree down or something, maybe. You also get some sweet safety glasses. You get a blade removal tool, and you get an owner's manual, which is also a warranty card, which is also instructions. Now, assembly is pretty simple. There's some basic instructions, really easy to follow along with. You don't need me to show you how to do that. I'm sure you can figure it out. So one of the things I immediately liked about this is that they send you 2 battery packs, which is cool. These are 2 milliamp batteries, so it's not the smallest batteries in the world, certainly not big, but with having 2 fully charged batteries, you should be able to get your lawn done. And the charger is pretty simple, little hole on the top of each battery, plug it in, and there's a little green light that flashes when it's done charging. Now this thing's got a nice adjustable grip that you can slide up and down the shaft here. That's what she said. Depending on where you want to hold onto it. And it also telescopes. So this is the shortest length. And it telescopes all the way up. So whether you're short or tall, you should have a length that works for you. Also, the head of this thing swivels. There's a little button over here. You got 1, 2, 3 different settings. Pretty cool. Now, as I said before, this comes with 2 blade guards. This is the smaller red one. And then you got this big guy with the wheels that attaches to it, so if you want to roll it along, you have that option. Now, removing the blades are really easy. They give you this little 8mm tool, so you can just grab onto the blade, give it a couple spins around, the nut should come right off. Or use an impact, a lot easier. Now, the different blades attach on this plastic surface here. There's 2 bigger grooves on the outside and 2 smaller grooves on the inside. So to pop any of the blades on, you just want to match them up to these grooves here. So you can see the plastic blade have those grooves. You match them up right there, pop the washer on, pop the nut on, and then just tighten it down. Look how crazy this circular saw blade looks on here. Looks like something from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And switching the blade guards out are pretty elementary as well. You just gotta take whatever blade you're working off with, take this plate off, and then you can see right here you have some grooves. You basically just spin this thing until you line up all the grooves with the holes, and it should pop right off. And then basically it's the same thing with installing. You just want to line the grooves up with the holes, and then just snap it in place like that, and then give her a quarter turn, and you're in, baby. Now, all the fact that they gave you this saw blade, it's really cool. This thing just doesn't really have enough power to cut through sticks and brush and bushes as advertised. Plastic blades, these are legit. And the metal blades that come with this, now these things are legit. And you can sharpen them when they don't. For light use, this thing's pretty awesome. Well, so that's the 21 volt weed trimmer from Copo. I will link their Amazon page down below if you want to check them out. That would be awesome. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.